I'm saying about to this space, this period, and after we will get more period for 1 year, 2 year, because after this critical situation we will have to stand, but we can't stand very easily. That time many person will get chance to worried about, think about, and die himself, become bankrupt himself, become create the problem her life. So before that, this kinds of situation will made in our life. We'll try to think about the how we'll use this space, use this time, and how we'll convert this kinds of condition with the growth. How we'll convert this condition with the growth, and we will have to use this time to our intellectual growth, improve our skill, improve our knowledge, and try to learn many things by the book, by the online, and try to join with the video conferencing, video teaching, video learning, and utilize properly this period. You know, हिंदी में बोलते हैं कि बहुत बड़े खतरा आने के पहले की जो शांतता होती है, जो उसे हम क्या 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 कहते हैं, वो काम कंडीशन से हम बोलते हैं कि एक ऐसा स्पेस होता है कि जैसे कि बहुत बड़ा भयंकर ऐसा ये बारिश का सिचुएशन में बहुत बड़ा वो बादल वगैरह आता है, मीन्स उसे हम इंग्लिश में अलग तरह कैसे बोलते हैं, स्टॉर्म बोलते हैं, ओके। और जो स्टॉर्म आने से पहले जो साइलेंट सिचुएशन होती है, दैट वाज दिस इज वेरी डेंजरस फॉर our nation also, and all countries also. So we will have to be ready to battle that storm. So before that, improve your ability, improve your skill, and try to, after that, if you will not get job, try to start your own job. Don't stay at your home, don't waste your time, don't watch any kinds of bloody videos and movies. So before that, you will have to properly utilize your time to improve your skill, improve your knowledge, increase your capacity, and grow your ability. So why I am saying this? This is a proper suggestion too. I'm not wasting my time. Always I utilize my time properly, and I try to utilize my skill anywhere, and also try to improve also. So you also will have to go through this. I say before, I can do anything in my life. I can handle any situation and do anything in my life because of already I gone through that all critical situation, and also I do not have to lose anything which I will lose and I will break down, I will collapse down. दुनिया की कोई पावर मुझे हरा ही नहीं सकती है, फिजिकली नहीं, with my business, with my finance, with my personal growth. I can stand anywhere in the world, in the universe. If I will get chance, I can develop strong system. Get chance means I will not means I will not demand from to you. Actually, I will create my chance. I will create this kind of situation. That chance will be get me with itself. I'm not a person who will say to you, give me. I will give you if you want. But I saying by heart, be curious, be worried about your growth, about your life, and about your profession. Don't misuse your time. Use properly this time, and be strong with your skill, with your knowledge, and with your ability. So bye, see you, take care, good day, have a nice day, and let's subscribe our channel.